All right, fifth graders, now we're looking at using units of measurement and converting those into decimal fractions. And of course, some word problems. So 30 centimeters equals how many meters? So what's the larger unit, centimeters or meters? Meters. Meters are bigger. So we're expressing a smaller unit in terms of a larger unit. So we're expressing 30 centimeters as meters. Is 30 centimeters more or less than 1 meter? Way less, because we know there's 100 centimeters in a meter. So 30 is way less than 100. Is it more or less than half a meter? Well, 50 would be half a meter, right? Because a meter is 100, so it's still less than half. So we know that 30 centimeters is the same as 30 copies of 1 centimeter. So let's rename 1 centimeter as a fraction of a meter. So we know 1 centimeter equals 1/100th of a meter. So what we have then is 30 1/100ths of a meter. Well, 30 times 1/100th, you know that that would be 30 hundredths. So as a fraction, express it in simplest form. So let's see, 30 over 100. Let's divide them both by 10. Do it to the bottom, do it to the top. So now we have 3/10. So think about our estimate. We said it was less than half. Is 3/10 less than half? Yes. So this makes sense. So let's do the same. For 9 inches equals what fraction of a foot? Well, 1 inch is 1/12. So we're looking at 9 times 1/12, which is 9/12. And then we're going to reduce that, and you know that that reduces down to 3/4. But check it out. We could do this. So we have our tape diagram, and we would shade in 9 of them. And we know that the whole thing equals 1 foot. Uh-oh. Check it out, guys. I accidentally did all of this work up here. Oops, sorry. Koalas will often sleep for 20 hours a day. Ooh, good to be a koala. What fraction of a day does a koala often sleep? So what will we need to do to solve this problem? Well, we need to know how many hours are in a day. And there's 24. So we know that they sleep 20 out of 24 hours. So let's put that in simplest form. Let's see. A factor that 20 and 24 both share is 4. So let's divide those both by 4. And now we have 5/6. So koalas sleep for 5/6 of the day. If you did that, you would not get anything done. All right, now we're back to looking at inches into feet. So 15 inches equals how many feet? Now this is going to be a little bit different than the other problems because 15 inches is greater than 1 foot. So this is going to be a mixed number we end up with. It's going to be 1 foot and a fraction, 1 and a fraction. So our answer is greater than 1. So write an equation showing how many copies of 1 inch we have. Well, we have 15 times 1/12. So what fraction of a foot is 1 inch? Well, it's 1/12. So we have 15 copies of 1/12 of a foot for a total of 15/12. Now you've got to express that in its simplest form. So we know 12/12 make 1, so I'm going to take out 12/12 and turn it into a 1. And after I take away the 12/12, I have 3/12 left over. So 1 and 3/12. Am I done? No. This can be simplified. So what's a factor that 3 and 12 have in common? 3. So let's divide them both by 3. And then we have 1/4. But let's not forget our 1. So 15 inches is 1 1/4 feet. All right, this last problem, you're on your own. But here, I'm going to give you a quick reminder. I'm going to remind you that there are 16 ounces in a pound. And I want you to set a timer for 3 minutes. And if you're not done with this problem in about 3 minutes, raise your hand so I can figure out where you're stuck. Good luck!